It's recording. Go ahead and say what you've got. He's injured.
We don't really know what to do. In the comments, if you guys are like, that's not how you hold them, please just don't be mad.
Well, I'm telling you shouldn't hold him like that. Hold him in two hands around his wings. So put your hand one there and one on the other wing, and have his belly down. Other way, other way. Turn him around so his wings are facing. Yeah, like that, like that. And hold them very gently, just like that. But don't hold them upside down like that. Yeah, hold them like that.
I'm gonna bring them to like a tree.
Yeah, we'll put them in a tree. I'd bring them to your tree that you climb over here, this one. We're keeping the dog away from him so he doesn't try to eat the bird, which he's trying to do. Can you climb okay? Need help? I'll prop you up. There you go. I gotcha. You up?
So where do we put them?
Just in the tree. He did fly away.
Where? Like right here?
Yeah, right there. Now he's just perched on the tree, so he'll feel safer up there. Let's get a good angle of him.
Yeah. That goes. The bird.
There he is. So he's safer in the tree. Predators usually can't get him up there. All right, jump down.
Did you end it?